or what should be the action you should be taking that's appropriate. So it's very important for women to be heard and to have the opportunity to bring forward things of this kind.
Martin.
Steve, can I circle back to your first question about should they be heard?
Please.
And to sidestep the believability question for a second. One of the problems with Patrick Brown's statement that night, where he was trying, in my view, to bluff his way through the allegations, is that he specifically concluded by saying, I have instructed my attorneys to take legal action on a case of defamation. And that's a way to silence the accusers, in my opinion. And maybe that's his right. Maybe he wants to fight it out in court. But that's not saying people have a right to be heard. That's him saying, I have a legal right to have you not heard by people, number one. Number two, part of the job description for an opposition leader is to stir things up. I get that. But given all the things he had said over the last couple of years, as part of his job, I suppose, about the Liberals, about the gas plants, about the Sudbury bribery trial, where people were acquitted.
He himself had been sued, right?
Not only was he sued, but he argued that really the court of public opinion matters more than the law courts. So it's hard to argue now that the man ought to have some kind of exemption or dispensation from the court of public opinion.
When I mentioned I worried that there was a backlash or could be a potential backlash,